especially those involving your teeth. Joining us now to talk more about some dangerous dental hacks on TikTok, Dr. Michael Kosdon. To hear even dental hack, the word dental hacks concerns me. Doctor, nice to have you with us.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Well, so let's get to it. I guess one of the first ones that we have seen is using household products to whiten teeth. So what exactly are people doing out there?
Well, people are using a variety of products. One of my favorite ones is the magic eraser, which I see the logic with that. But it's very damaging to the enamel of your teeth, and it's made of formaldehyde, which is a very toxic material. And I definitely would avoid using something like that that's going to permanently alter the enamel of your teeth. Also, lemon juice and peroxide with baking soda, these toxic acidic products just eat away at your enamel and cause way more damage than providing help.
I feel like that magic eraser's chemicals too. So, all right, another no-no, DIY orthodontics with a hair tie.
Right.
Why and what does that look like?
Scary.
It
so
really
what people
is
are doing is they're taking hair ties, which are not designed for teeth, obviously, and they're trying to close their gaps between their teeth. And it can cause a whole litany of problems, one of the first things is you can cause damage to the teeth, but also you can end up with an infection or just permanently damage the roots and end up losing your teeth. So it's much better to go see a dentist, save some time, save some money, and your health.
All right,
and get things done properly.
We saw that picture, well, right there, like some artwork on the teeth. Is that a new thing? And what are they doing that with? What is that
It's like
trend?
bedazzling your teeth.
Okay.
You know, it's another gimmick. People are gluing with crazy glue, little studs, diamonds, ornaments onto their teeth, which again, you're putting another toxic, harmful chemical in your mouth. Sure. And I don't advise doing that also. You know, and you can also damage your teeth by taking enamel off when removing these decals and ornaments. Yeah,
it sounds like real painful too. Okay, this last dangerous trend, shark teeth. What is shark teeth?
Right. Shark teeth is really scary. What people are doing is they're actually filing their teeth into the shape of a triangle, like a shark. And it's a trend on TikTok. It's a look people are trying to recreate. And they're permanently damaging and removing their enamel with a nail file. And it's probably the most dangerous of all the trends that are going around now. And I definitely would advise against anything like this at all.
I'm sure you're lovely. I don't love going to the dentist. I think you probably hear that quite often. So hearing some of these things are really scary. So people watch these, they're told they're hacks, they see the videos online, they want to try them out. What do you say to them, or to maybe to parents who are seeing that their kids are doing this?
Well, I would encourage them to see their dentist. You know, just for a regular checkup and cleaning can whiten your teeth. And a lot of these things, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Yeah. And, you know, a lot of these TikTok trends are causing deaths and a lot of serious problems and complications. And just because you see it on TikTok doesn't make it safe or effective.
Yeah, we have seen that over and over and over again. Dr. Kosdon, nice to have you with us. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.